8 Rules of Eating, the Functional Farmacy. Rule 1. Reduce your portion sizes. Whatever you eat, the average Western diet has too many calories. Reduce where you can but keep the food diverse. Rule 2. If it says light, low fat or fat-free, stays in grocery store because they took the fat out, they put carbs and chemicals in. Highly processed. Some keywords to avoid. HFCS high fructose corn syrup, hydrogenated, white flour, seed oils, veg, sunflower, sweeteners like aspartame, Splenda, sucralose, and xylitol, sorbitol. Rule 3. Eat real food. Food created by God, not man. Real food doesn't come with labels. Real food does not come in a box, and no one should have to tell you real food is natural. You should know that when you look at it. If you must count a maximum of 6 ingredients if you buy labeled food. Rule 4. Don't eat anything you don't like. But try new things and have the mindset that food is medicine. Rule 5. Try intermittent fasting. Try and have a late breakfast and an earlier supper. Getting 14 hours with no food gives your body an opportunity to cleanse itself. Autophagy and mitophagy, your body clearing out weaker cells, and replacing them with new ones, only happens on an empty stomach. Rule 6. Stop sugar is a simple way to remember what we want to avoid. Reduce your carb intake, which turns into sugar. Rule 7. And we often hear, so how would I eat carbs, or but I like carbs? Resistant starch. Most of the carbohydrate-rich real food has soluble fiber when freshly cooked. This is absorbed by your body and spikes your insulin. A double whammy is that your gut microbiome is also deprived of insoluble fibers which feed your gut microbiome. If you eat natural carbohydrate-rich food, cook them and let them cool fully down. Most of the fiber is converted into insoluble forms, resistant starches, which make their way down your digestive tract and then allowing good bacteria to feed on it and strengthen your gut health and in turn your overall health. So the double whammy here is that the carbohydrates do not enter your system, so do not spike your insulin. Rule 8. Eat those probiotic foods and the prebiotics that feed them.